Unlocking everyday English, out of doors, demystified. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to uncover the meaning behind the phrase, out of doors. If you've stumbled upon this phrase and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. Let's explore together how this phrase fits into everyday English. The phrase, out of doors, is a bit of a linguistic relic, harking back to a time when language was quite literal. In the simplest terms, it means being outside a building or shelter. Think of stepping out of your house and into the open air. That's being out of doors. It's an expression that paints a picture of open spaces and freedom from indoor confines. How do we use out of doors in modern English? It's often seen in literature and sometimes in spoken English, especially in a more poetic or descriptive context. For instance, she spends most of her time out of doors, gardening or just enjoying the sunshine. This event will be held out of doors, so please dress accordingly. Notice how it adds a charming touch to the sentences, evoking a sense of being in the open. You might be thinking, isn't outdoors the same thing? Well, yes and no. Outdoors is the more modern, one-word version of the phrase. It's used far more commonly today. I love being outdoors. The children played outdoors all afternoon. While both phrases mean the same thing, out of doors can sound more formal or old-fashioned. Let's put out of doors into context with some examples. Literary. The novel described the protagonist's love for long walks out of doors. Invitation. Join us for an evening of fun out of doors under the stars. I hope this exploration of the phrase, out of doors, has been enlightening. Remember, whether you're stepping out of doors or simply going outdoors, you're embracing the world outside. Thank you for watching, and happy learning. Keep using English in new ways, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you improve. See you next time.